Okay, guys. Here I want to explain a few basic exercises from a mixture of Tai Chi and yoga and physiotherapy altogether to enhance your recovery from corona. See, the first basic exercise that I want to teach you is thoracic mobility exercises or thoracic stretching exercises. Okay, the first exercises are for thoracic mobility. Okay, the basic turning. What you do is turn your body as you sit firmly with your feet on the floor. Turn your body as much as possible and breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, hold your breath as much as possible and breathe out. On the other side, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to hold your breath as you breathe in. Hold it for a few seconds. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The next exercise is side bending exercise. Very simple. Try to bend your body to one side. Hold. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath and release. As you take a breath, you should feel this side expanding. Now, you should feel the stretch of your ribs. Take a deep breath, hold it in for some time, and then relax. Hold. Relax. Feel the stretch of the intercostals in your ribs, the space between your ribs. These are the two main, and do these a couple of times. Okay, do at least 5 reps on both sides, the rotations and the side bending. The next exercise is for the shoulder. This is a part of Tai Chi, which is supposed to be done in the horse stance, but due to the prevailing situation, some of the people may not be able to adopt the horse stance. Take a comfortable sitting posture, right? The feet should be firmly on the floor during the whole process, and think of yourself painting a wall. Lift both your hands up gradually in a beautiful way and bring them down in a slow dance-like motion. Do not hurry. Do not think of this as an exercise. Close your eyes and imagine you're painting the wall, right? And as you paint it upwards, take a deep breath. And as you bring it down, exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And as you take your deep breath, try to imagine the whole universe giving you clean, fresh energy. Exhale all the pollution from inside detoxify your body with the exhalation. The next, take both your hands, let them paint outside. As you take your hands away from you, take a deep breath. Feel the air going into your lungs and bring it out. Do it as slowly as possible, as slowly as possible, as slowly as possible. Yeah. The next exercise, the third exercise is pull in and push out. Pull in and push out. Now, as you pull in, imagine all the good of the universe coming into your body. Inhale. Push out all the toxins of the body. Let it get dispersed. Inhale, breathe in. Slowly exhale. Slowly exhale. Breathe in the cosmic force and exhale all the negativity in your body. The disease of your body passes off to be diluted in the universe. Breathe in the freshness of the air and breathe out. Yeah, these are the few basic activities for the upper body. And as far as the legs are concerned, what you can start doing is stand and go on your toes, come down. 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 The calf happens to be the secondary heart of your body, and keeping your blood pumped up helps you, right? Go on your toes, come down, right? Apart from this, you can do on-the-spot walking. If you are uncomfortable in either of these, you may not be able to do it independently. You can hold on to some sort of a support. You can hold on to a tabletop. You can hold on to a windowsill. But do these as much as possible. You can do these with your oxygen on. If you're on oxygen, you can do it with your BiPAP on. If your BiPAP is on, right? Do it. If you can do it for 15 seconds, do it for 15 seconds. Do it for 30 seconds. If you are severely depressed in oxygen, wear a pulse oximeter, check out. But it is better to have a talk with your consulting doctor before you do all these things. If you are compromised, if your oxygen is compromised, or you have any systemic illnesses, have a small talk with your consulting physician before you jump into the bandwagon of exercise. Thank you, guys. Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. If you can't, there is a saying, if you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. If you can't crawl, drag yourself, right? But keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Any part of your body. Keep pumping your hands, keep pumping your shoulders, right? Keep moving your legs. Move on the bed from one side to the other. But keep moving, and we also can keep doing every hour, 2 hourly, right? Just do pranayams. And in India, we don't need to be taught pranayam. Pranayam is in our gene. You need to do it. It is just that we have taken life in a very different mode. Now is the time to get back to things, come back to fitness. I'm not talking about being a six-pack guy. I'm just talking about now all these exercises, not just for fitness and healthy living or anything. These are now necessary even for basic survival. Come on, wake up. It's time to wake up.